gnarly ass drift over there, by the way, in front of the house.
Alright guys, so we're out here today fixing this control arm bushing on this BMW. As you can see, I can move this around, and that's not good. So to remedy that, I got a new set of bushings. Alright, I'm gonna need that wrench. We're gonna have to take this tire off. And I don't need to take the tire off actually to do this procedure, but just for the sake of us doing this in a garage.
I wanted to do it.
Alright, man, you want to do it? Come on here and show the camera how you do it. You don't have to worry about order this time since they're already loose. You just spin it like that, like you don't even have to put leverage on it. Yeah, like that. And these are strange studs, by the way, so there's no nut. The stud completely comes out like that. Ha. Having fun?
Yeah. Always gotta help you out loosen your nuts, right?
Oh, jeez. Buy me a drink first.
How about elephant bar?
Yeah. Alright, Armand. Now you can pull the wheel off.
Pull it off?
Pull it like it's your own. You can do it. Holy shit. There you go. I'll just put that over there. Alright. We're gonna need some of these, obviously.
Latex?
Yes.
What do I need them for?
So you don't get your hands dirty.
What am I gonna be doing with my hands?
You're probably holding things for me while I loosen them.
Why can't he do it?
Because he's like zoned out.
Don't yell at me.
You see it moving in there? Here, come take a look. Look right here.
Oh, that's broken.
It's dicked. It's not good.
How do you fix it?
With this.
Oh, is that a new one?
Yeah, I got two actually. Okay, so we gotta take a bunch of stuff off here. I'm gonna start with the splash pan. So I zip tied it right here because that ghetto life. I'm gonna cut that. And then I got some loose screws up here. Actually, I could probably just, no, it's not even on. Okay, it makes life easier. And one right here. Now I gotta go over here. Oh shit, yeah, there's some grit under here for sure. Loosen that. That's already loose. And then the one way back here. There we go, and oof. What, you scared?
No, what is that?
It's the splash pan.
Jeez.
Oh, this thing's so heavy because there's friggin' gallons of oil in it. Don't step in this, whatever you do. Yeah, go ahead, step in it. I'm about to give you an assignment. Come on, you're like AP. Holy crap. Oh. Oof, man. Whew. Oh. All right, Armand, come down here, like over by where the wheel is, and then I want you to look at me.
Okay.
So, do you see this right here?
Yeah.
On the end, there's a bolt. Might be two. You might need an extension. Do you see? Look under there and see if you can see how many bolts there are. There should be one. There might be two though.
I see two.
No, I mean like over here.
Under that whole triangle arm thing?
Yeah, at where the two arms meet.
There's one in that circle.
Only one?
Yeah.
Alright, since I'm like here right now, I need you to go under there and loosen that up.
This thing isn't gonna fall, right?
No, it's not gonna fall. Like I said, you might need two hands.
What the hell?
Oh, don't break the friggin' head off, whatever you do, or else we're fucked 6 ways from Sunday. Actually, that might clear as it is. Might even have to need to take this thing completely off. shit. Will this move more this way? Ha ha ha! Alright. Armand, we're clear. Now we can pull the control arm down. Oh man.
What happened to this thing anyway?
According to the guy, he's been texting the guy. Alright, Armand, now come on over here and learn. We're about to take this deal off. Hopefully without killing one another. This is going to be so you see how I've loosened the brace bar and I've moved it. Oh look, Armand, a piece of the dicked bushing. Oh. So now I'm probably gonna have to use Old Faithful here and pry these loose, and this should droop down. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. But we'll do this. Oh yeah, that's coming pretty easily. Oh, German.
Why, Jesse? Why?
Jawohl.
No more skin content.
Oh, and here we go.
Ow.
Oh yeah, this thing is totally dicked. Oh, dicked.
What the hell? It's torn open.
You're familiar with that kind of thing, Armand? This one's a little different, but whatever.
Oh, it's completely different.
It's bigger, or no, it's smaller. This is left.
Yeah, I woke up a lot from my bed.
Wow, on your own?
Yep.
This time?
Yeah.
You didn't wake up on your street or in your car?
And this is supposed to be for the
Is
right.
that pizza box still in your trunk?
It is. What about the beach, Armand? I almost woke up on the beach.
One day you're gonna wake up on a roof.
Your roof?
Yeah. I'm gonna walk downstairs where I'm gonna see a mattress on my roof.
And he's like, what the fuck?
Oh hey Armand, hey. Can you give me some water?
It's white.
With my dentist.
Holy crap, there's smoke coming out of the engine.
Yeah, there's smoke coming out of my engine, Armand, when I'm like...
No, what, do you see it?
Armand, you realize I'm melting something right now, right? Jeez.
There's smoke
Oh,
coming
fuck,
out
there's
the
smoke!
It's gonna blow. Well, there is. There's freaking smoke coming out.
That's gonna blow!
Armand, it's coming out from right here.
No, it's coming. It's rising out from the top.
In between two pieces of bread.
Sandwich.
Did you take my license plate off? What the Oh my... Jesus, Armand.
I'm learning.
Oh, fuck. Alright, so after a lot of grinding and hammering, I got the old bushing collar out. Alright guys, so here's the update. So I managed to muscle that bushing on, but I had to make a minor modification. So if you look closely here, the diameters of the bushings, the new one is slightly smaller. Oh yeah, and to get the old one off, I had to cut out this inner collar with the grinder because it just wasn't moving. So basically, it appears, if I look at these both, the inner diameter is slightly smaller on these ones. I think maybe these bushings are for a coupe or something, even though on eBay it said guaranteed to fit these models. Yeah, bullshit. So what I had to do is basically drill out the rubber inside here in order to fit the bushing on the control arm. I know some of you guys would, a lot of the Beemer perfectionists out there would crucify me for doing this, but I mean, what the fuck? The thing was 200 bucks, and now I have a whole bunch of clunking and craziness in the front end. So now all I really need to do is torque these bolts down, put the tension bar back on, or stabilizer bar, splash pan, and it should be good to go. So let's do that. Oh boy. Well, that was something. It's all finished. It's back on the ground, tightened up, everything's back on underneath. those friggin' Negroes who ditched me because they wanted to go beat their meat put my license plate upside down when I wasn't looking. So yeah, I kind of had to tackle the rest of the installation by myself. Oh, but now let's go take it for a drive to see if it clunks any less. Steering wheel, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh shit, looks like they opened my trunk too. Damn it, I've been friggin' bamboozled. There we go. Okay, let's go. Hopefully there's nothing in my way. I checked. Everything appears to be good. Well, so far the front end feels pretty good. No clunking around when I press on the brake. Yeah, besides my, oddly enough, my friggin' front left wheel locking up, it all seems to be better. Wow, no clunkage. Feels pretty tight. So looking at that oil pan, I think that sensor on the bottom of the oil pan is leaking. I think that's the oil level sensor, which would make sense because that oil light flashes on randomly, and that's due to a sensor being bad. So maybe it sprung a leak and that screwed with everything else. And yeah, maybe that's the problem why this thing's leaking so much. But going over these bumps, everything feels way tighter in the front end. Oh, look at this guy. All right. There we go. Cool. Yeah, it's way tighter, that's for sure. I'm running out of gas. Cool. There's the beast. Nice. I'm gonna pull over this way a little bit, so I just have to pick up my tools. All right. Wow. That was a process for sure. Having to cut that bushing and everything was interesting, but at least it worked out. So I hope you guys found this video interesting and or informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.